The music composition is by Sri M.S. Tukki in Raga Malika set to Adi Tala. Thank you.
Shambhavi Chandramouli Shambhavi Chandramouli Amala Aparna Uma Parvati
Amba Shambhavi Chandramouli Amala Aparna Uma Parvati
Kali Haimavati Shivatri Nayani Kartyayani Bhairavi
Kali Haimavati Shiva Trinayani Katyayani Bhairavi
Amba Shambhavi Chandramouli Amala Aparna Uma Parvati